Welcome back, and today we're going to talk about buying gold, where to buy it, when to buy it, why to invest, premiums, and how much to buy. So hopefully this video answers all the questions about buying gold, because I've never bought gold and this is the first time I'm going to buy gold right now. So I've done all the research, and whenever you get to see a spreadsheet, I feel like that's like the best idea. So I've broken down everything you need to know about the gold purchasing process. So hopefully I've educated myself enough to I educated myself enough that I feel like I can buy gold. So hopefully you watching this video, you will educate yourself enough to feel comfortable buying gold. Because right now it's kind of the top of the market, so I'm buying gold for multiple reasons. One, to invest, and two, I want to get into jewelry. And also I'm recording this video with I'm recording the audio with my camera. That's why the audio is kind of weird. But I've invested in some. These are moissanite. They're not diamonds. They're diamond simulant, but these are cubic zirconiums. These are like the fake diamonds. The difference. So, okay, one. This is moissanite. This is cubic zirconium. They look roughly the same, as you can tell. So I'm definitely investing in gold because I want to look into investing in, like, probably make jewelry, because I'm really interested in this stuff. So alright, so we're gonna talk about, so right now, where to buy. So I've done research, and ideally you want to buy gold online because they have the lowest prices. So there's a few places I've researched. JM Bullion is the place that I've researched, has good reviews, so I feel like I'm gonna make my first purchase with them. So okay, so now we're gonna look at the chart. So okay, this is the gold chart. Basically gold just goes up always. So let's just make it smaller, 30 years, or see, no matter what, like right now I feel it's at the top, so probably not the best time to invest, but I feel like gold is still gonna go up. So even though it's probably not the best time to buy gold, it's still worth buying, because see, we had another top right here. Gold never reached 2,000. Gold reached 2,000 yesterday, 2,000 an ounce. So potentially this could happen, right? It could dip right here, but at the end of the day, it's gonna always go up. So we had the dip about 10 years ago. So this is 10 years ago. So we're right here where 10 years ago used to be. So I don't ever see gold dropping this low. So we're looking at, all right, so it started here, 1,700, and it dipped the lowest, 1,100, but it's always going to go up. Since I'm going to use it as an investment and make it into jewelry, one way to always increase the value of gold is whenever you convert gold into jewelry, gold is always going to be worth more than, spot value. So no matter what, if I turn this into jewelry, it will be worth more than the gold value itself. Even though you put moissanite, which they're fake diamonds, eventually I'll put real diamond in it, but right now I can't afford real diamonds. So this is the chart. So even though we're at the top of the market, I'm still say it's a good idea to invest. So alright, so now we're gonna talk about, okay, why. So I talked about invest in jewelry and why to invest. Because gold, no matter what, is gonna go up, and gold is something physical you get to own. So that's what I like about it too. And the other reason, gold is jewelry, so you get to appreciate your investment by wearing it. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about premiums. Okay, so gold, when you buy it, it has a premium, and the premium is the price over spot value. So we're looking at this one, 5 grams, this one right here. So that's, okay, let me refresh this page because this changes. So notice right here, this is going to change as soon as we refresh the page, and the price is going to change because this is pretty much live. All right, so notice the gold price went up. This price is also going to be slightly different. Change it for the calculator. And also change the spot gold. Here's where I go to the gold ask price. And it tells you right here. I just update it for the video. And update this one. So the squares with this, the gray, are updatable. You can change them. Everything else is automatic. Okay, so right now at this price, so we've updated with current value. So all right, you can buy it cheaper, obviously, when you buy more. So, but we're gonna buy one with credit card and PayPal because that is recommended. Because when you buy with PayPal, you get the protection of having the PayPal service, and credit card, you pay your PayPal with your credit card. So you're protected with the purchase by buying it credit card. Because if you bought it with your debit card, then you're losing your money. But if you buy it with credit card, you lose your credit, and then you can file a dispute, whatever happens, if this gets stolen on the way. Because I'm thinking the worst thing this could happen is someone can steal this on the way it gets here. So that's like, I've always think about the worst thing that happened. But so, okay, so right now, let me just do a simple math how this premium is found. So the premium is 115, or we're gonna call it 15%. So how this number is found is, okay, so you take this, the price, 373 point divided by 5 per gram, right? And then it's 31.1 grams in a troy ounce. So multiply 31.1. So this is the price per ounce. So you're gonna take this price divided by the spot, which is, and this should equal basically 15%. This is how this math is gotten. So notice, basically very close to this number, 15%. Right here, 15. So it's, the premium is 15%. So it's only, because you know the premium, they need to make a profit selling it. They can't sell you this at spot. They can't sell you this for 2,000 a gram because they'll make no money. Even though they possibly have bought this gold last year and they're already made a money selling it, they still can't sell you at spot. So they'll always sell you at the premium. So the premium ranges goes from, okay, so we have, okay, so you can buy in, so you can buy, okay, let's start browsing the website first. So gold, right, they have a lot, right? You can buy an ounce, 100 grams, 50 grams, 10 ounces, 1/10 an ounce, right? It's confusing. Quarter ounce, it gets confusing. That's why I put the chart. So you're like, what do I buy? You don't know. So okay, it's broken down into, you can buy 1/100th of the ounce, 1/25th of the ounce, 1/20th, 1/10th, 1/5, quarter, half, 1 ounce. And this is the price breakdown. I've researched all of them on this website because we're buying from this place. And this is from the grams. So this is the price breakdown. So basically 1 gram is the worst. This is 150%, 50% premium. So to break even, the price of gold needs to reach $3,000 to break even. So let's say this is what we're planning on purchasing. So 115%, 15% premium. So the price of gold needs to reach 2,300 so we can make a profit, which is a whole lot better than 3,000. So this will probably reach that in a year or two. So in a year or two, we should make a profit. So here's how it's broken down. So okay, first 1 gram is 150. 50% premium. 2 grams, 27. 2.5, 24. 3 grams. And depends on the brand who sells it. This is the Chinese gold, which is a little more expensive. So it's 36% premium. 5 grams, which is 15% premium, really good deal. 8 grams, which is the Chinese, 22% premium, not good. 10 grams is a really good, 10% premium. 15 grams Chinese gold, 20% premium, that's not good. Another really good deal is 20 grams. 20 grams is 8.9% premium. So you're only paying 178 over spot. So this is by far one of the best deals possible. So if this is your second time buying gold, you want to go for 20 grams. Because 20, look at this, 1 ounce is 9% premium, 184 over spot. But 20 grams is, few percentage, point something, 8%. It's only 178 over spot. So even though 20 grams is less than an ounce is 31.1, it's a better deal to buy 20-gram bars instead of 1 ounce bars. So this is something people don't know. You have to break this down into math to figure this out. So 50 grams is also a good deal, but a better deal is buying 20 grams. 100 grams is the best deal, but you have to buy 100 grams to hit it at the 7% premium. So the best deal possible is 7% premium. So it's 7, 8. As you notice, as you buy more, the premium goes higher. And the different brands, like the Chinese brand, has a higher premium. Depends. So look at the gold. Gold, if you want to buy like coins or in ounces, the best deal would be this, half an ounce, because it's at 110% premium. But still, I would recommend first time buying 5 grams, and then your second time buying maybe 10 grams or 20 grams for the best deal, the lowest premium, because you're gonna make a profit very quickly versus buying a worse premium. So right now, I think I talked about so the first time buying, so this is gonna be, realistically the smartest thing to buy is either the 10 gram at 10% premium or the 20 grams, but that's too much. Who's gonna spend 1,400 for the first time buying gold? Who's gonna spend 700 for the first time buying gold? But people are gonna spend 300 first time buying gold. So this, even though the premium is 5% more than the better deal at 10 grams, this is safer for a first time buyer. Like my first time buying, I'm gonna buy the 5 gram, and the next time I'm gonna buy probably 10 gram or 20 gram, because the premium is only 10%, 8%. Here 5% premium, but it's safer for a first time purchase. So I think I've talked about everything. Oh, and this is a calculator. This spreadsheet is linked below in the description, so you can, like right now, so I can show you. Okay, so 15. So we put 15% here. And it should roughly, it's a calculator, it gives us at 5 grams, right? It should be roughly Alright, so this is the spot value. This is with the premium. So roughly, it's really close. Let me put 5. Maybe make it as close as possible. Yeah, as you notice, it gets closer, if not exactly. So this is the calculator. You edit this right here, but that's the top part. Didn't explain this at all during the video, but you edit this, you edit that, you edit this, or you edit any of these. All this other stuff is just calculation. It's this divided by that or something. So I talked about everything. So now the part of the video where we buy the gold. Like I said, 5 grams. I recommend buying this one. Buy exactly what I buy at this price. PayPal, because that's the safest. And make sure you select this one. You want all of this, even though free shipping, come on. You want tracking and SIG required. This total price, sales tax, shipping, I did not even make an account. This was completely automatic. And this is what it looks like. So if you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching, and I am out.